Hello guys, my name is Vivian. Thanks for tuning in. If you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell so each time I upload a new video you will be notified. So today I want to talk about how to get a glowing skin during a hot summer, during a hot season like we are right now in Nigeria, something that is too harsh on the skin for this weather. All right, it won't come out. Don't use anything that is harsh on your skin this hot weather. You won't like your skin at all. You will not like your skin. And even if you're using the whitening cream, tends to bring it down, tends to use it like twice a week or 3 times a week. Okay, because the weather is extremely hot. You and I know the weather is extremely hot. All right, so secondly is make sure you're drinking a lot of water. Keep your skin hydrated. All right, also invest in good face mask like cucumber mask. Try to invest in all those ones because all those ones tend to like hydrate your skin, your facial skin actually. And you know your facial skin is more exposed to the sun than other parts of your body. So always, the third thing is make sure you're wearing a sunscreen whenever you're going out. Wear a sunscreen. Okay, number 4 is exfoliate regularly. Okay, you have to exfoliate this period. This is the period for you to exfoliate like 3 or 4 times a week to keep your skin firm and smooth and glowing. The 5th one is cut down on makeup. Cut down on your makeup. All right, so I don't have anything to say on that one much, but just cut down on your makeup, like reduce the rate of your contouring, your concealing, your baking. Tends to cut it down. All right, because the heat is really too much. Okay, the 6th one is use a facial mist. A facial mist is let me say a mixture of rose water with some other ingredients, so you tend to spray on your face. It can also be used as a makeup setting spray. That's what facial mist is called. So you can actually do it on your own, but if you want me to make a video on how to do a face mist, comment below and I will make a video on that one. So the 3rd one is moisturize. Make sure you're moisturizing your skin because hot weather tends to give a dry skin. Do you understand? Hot weather tends to give a very dry skin, so make sure you're moisturizing. So the 7th thing on the list is take care of your food. Don't neglect your food because you're wearing it inside shoes, so you don't need to rub anything. Tends to take care of your food. All right, dry season I usually have this foot ache on my leg. My foot to like usually get very dry during this hot season, and I have been battling with that, with scrubbing, moisturizing on daily basis. Like I scrub like 4 times a week, then I moisturize every day, especially my leg. I also tend to use my face mist on my leg to keep it hydrated. So the 8th thing on the list is don't forget your eye area down here. Your eye area down here, don't forget, it's very necessary. This place, once there's a lot of heat and you're using a very harsh product on your face, or let me say you're not, even if it's not harsh or it's mild and it lightens, all right, when heat beats you under your eyes, you know what I'm talking about. It will be peppering you. Do you understand? So tend not to forget getting an eye mask and other eye masks to be using to helps to hydrate and keep your skin in place during this hot season. And remember the natural values of skincare remedies. All right, don't forget to be doing DIYs. Don't forget to be doing DIYs on your skin. Okay, DIYs with oatmeal, coffee, cucumber gel, or you just blend your cucumber, apply it all over your body. You will love your skin this period, this hot period. This is the best period to actually take good care of your skin. Okay, I hope this was very, very helpful. I tried to rush it up because I'm going out, so I hope this was quite helpful. Please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share.